Can't. I see. So what we are looking, so we are saying the 10-year treasury is correlating with Bitcoin, right?
Yes.
So that's the correlation we are looking.
It's pretty much like for like after the March crash from last year. Before that, it's not very.
It's not very correlating, but look at that.
No, it's not. Since that crash, there was a big reset, a massive reset, and it's But and it's also, bro, it's the same as all. You could overlay as well. You could overlay all JPY as well, and it's pretty much like have all three of them. Have all three of them. Type in all JPY.
JPY.
Have all three of them. Sorry, all JPY. All.
Aussie.
Yeah, that's it. All JPY. Look at the correlation of all three. All three of them are following risk so much, and you got to remember, all JPY is the biggest. Is the biggest risk indicating correlating pair, isn't it? You've got Aussie, which is pure risk on, and you've got Yen, which is pure risk off. So,
well, this is crazy. Shit,
yeah, very.
Let me look up AUD JPY.
Yeah.
Jesus, this is mad.
Yeah, bro. It's very, very important correlation, bro. Very important.
Wow. Well, I remember AUD been fucking crazy up.
AUD's been so strong, man. Very.
Because bro, easy coming up here. Easy.
Yeah. Oh, 100%. But I think we're due a pullback. I think we're due some relief. But definitely, I can see all JPY in maybe by the end of the year, maybe at like 96. It's going to break those highs. You didn't see the highs in 2017 there. Exactly there at 89. I can see it breaking that asset. I can see us eventually breaking that. It's going to come. I think we can come back down to 80 at some point. I'm not too sure when. We need some risk off for that. We need some risk off, which we could be seeing at the minute potentially.
Well, so that's consolidated. Is waiting to grab more buyers to go up.
Yes, it is, but it needs to go down to grab more buyers. Do you know what I mean? Because I don't think there's enough power yet for it to fully go up on its own.
Whenever we come down here first to retest
and grab that liquidity, and then bro, it's gonna fly. I don't even reckon a pullback. I reckon after that it will just fly. Well, obviously, not any decent pullback on the grand schemes.
See, bro, make a good sense as well.
It does, because I think in a minute, because look how big that move's been with no real pullback. It's a little bit exhausted, a little bit. So
well, we got this. You see how strong this is.
Yes,
that's a strong area.
It is a very.
Look at XRP, bro. Let's see what XRP. Bro, look at XRP, right? We had this candle. Look at this candle. That's bearish as fuck.
Look, eaten, bro.
So the thing is, bro, I think this just came to just grab to just make the wick top, right? To just like down again to retest some of this area.
Yes, I think so, because if you look at the weekly, it done a big liquidity grab move up to go down. Now it's almost done the same.
Do you remember this? Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit! What happened? 1 second.
Honestly, XRP's made me so much money, bro. We literally got in at the absolute lows.
Here we go. Like we were down here.
Yeah, man. XRP's been a really good return, but we've been waiting a long time. XRP was one of the slowest cryptos to start its bull run. Really slow. So we got a bit unlucky.
We've been in XRP since literally down here. Bro, I have position at 15.
Yeah, oh, lovely.
If we hold it all the way top, I think we are one of those first dons. But bro, look, we still have room till 3.
Bro, think that's all-time highs. Really, if you look on all other charts, or if you look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, they've all burst through all-time highs already. So I feel like XRP is a little bit lagging, but I don't feel like that's a bad thing. I think XRP we need to be patient with. Obviously, where they had the set case, there's been a lot of FUD in it. There's been a lot of FUD. But now that FUD's almost over, which Bitcoin didn't really have that FUD. Bitcoin was just, everyone was all for Bitcoin. So I do still believe that we can break past 3, and I think we can achieve 8. I think with
it's,
XRP,
I'm doing it right now.
$8.
It will be 6.
Yeah, couldn't be 6. Look at that. Couldn't be that, bro.
So are we gonna have this? So right now we're on the smooth. Yeah, mate, easy, fam. That'll be crazy.
Looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. And look how good the correlation was back in 2018. The correlation was really good with Bitcoin. But obviously it sort of decoupled. So I think XRP just could be lagging. Just could be lagging. That's all it is, lagging. And look, XRP was even more bullish. Look at it.
That's crazy.
Crazy, isn't it?
This is literally the same pattern.
Exactly, bro. Exactly the same pattern.
Well,
exactly
it's gonna go higher anyway, but I think
we are. But I do still feel like XRP we can grab a little bit lower before going higher. But bro, the end game is exactly the same. The end game is the same. But short term, because XRP is still following. If you get XRP, bro, and put up the bond yields, it's still following the bond yields. It's not as accurate as BTC, but it's still following, which shows it is risk correlated. So, with that in mind, we should. I can see it coming down.
Well, what are the coins we have? Let me see. DXY. What's DXY say?
DXY is looking bearish, but I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish.
We caught this though. We caught this. Nice.
Yeah, we caught it. But look at the sell-off afterwards. It's not healthy.
Well, look at that. When did we post this? In March.
Yeah, bro. Standard, bro. That's how we do, mate. It's how we do, Ash.
Cool. Let's look. USD JPY. Jeez.
Oh, that's to be bullish. I think JPY can get to 1-1. I think it can get back to 112. I'm actually in a buy personally on my account. I stuck it onto the group, but I have a stop loss too tight and hit SL, and I didn't re-enter stupidly. But yes.
Well, look. Literally, that was the area we were looking at.
Yeah, mate.
We even missed the buy, fam. I was hoping for this. I was hoping to buy.
Yeah, but do you know what? It was hard because with the yen, the narrative obviously was we were still in the pandemic, but then we had to flip our views because it turned from risk off to risk on very, very quickly.
Last year we sold on top here. I had position.
Last year was selling for the whole year, and then obviously the start of the year it literally wiped out all the year's wins in like 3 months. Do you know what I mean? Just shows how strong risk is when risk comes back. Because you've got to think, risk means people get dividends back on their stocks. The stock market is up. All the high yielding assets are back. That's what everyone wants. No one wants to be having to pile into gold. No one wants that. Do you know what I mean? So everyone loves risk on a lot more than risk off. But us as traders, we probably prefer risk on because it's easier. For me, I prefer to sell rather than to buy, Ash. Do you feel the same?
On what?
Just in general. Just in general. I don't know why. I just feel more reluctant to sell than I do buy, which is obviously it's obviously I don't always do it when I'm trading, but I don't know why. I don't know why.
Well, look at this. Don't know. JP USD, fam.
See, they're all struggling to break. It's all struggling to break. But to be fair, I reckon tomorrow's gonna be quite an important day to see how this week ends. And don't forget, it's a monthly close on Friday as well. So it'll be very important to see how this month closes.
Bro, on JPY, the chart is too much. But bro, look, we still haven't cleared this. So
yeah, bro, I'm still bullish, pal. I'm very bullish, pal. But I think.
Well,
yeah,
bro, we still have all the way up here.
Pound is undervalued, bro. And also, Ash, you got to remember as well. We've got all the Brexit out of the way. We've got the EU stuff out of the way. We've got all the negativity out of the way. Because don't forget, we handled the coronavirus quite bad. So that was quite a knock on effect on the pound as well. But then obviously since the vaccinations, we vaccinated like half the public, and in FX, that's a big catalyst. When you vaccinate your economy, that's seen as a powerful economy. Do you know what I mean? So that's a catalyst for a strong currency. Is the strong vaccinations. That's a lot of the reason why the EU's coming back, because they've got a new vaccination plan and it's really good.
But bro, do you know what's my view? Yeah, my view is we might again come on top. Then we're gonna have another retest down. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Then again, we're gonna go up.
Well, bro, look at the start of 2018 when that range was ranging for 4 months, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know what I mean? So it ranged for a while. So there's no reason why. Do you know what I mean?
That's my outlook for a long time. And we got oil. Look at oil. Look how beautiful that was. I literally shout this out. When was it? Look at that. Bro, I literally put this trade out when? Let me look at this course. When did I post it? Oh, one sec. Yeah, it was somewhere around here. I can't find it now, but let me see. The react chat. Where you? I don't know where it is.
So I saw it. It's in there. It's in there. We'll find it another time. We'll repost it.
But it was somewhere, anyways. Yeah, literally. That was the thing. I think it's this one. Here. Look.
Oh, that's it. Oh, oil, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oil's gonna be good. Oil's gonna be good. Definitely. Commodities on the boom, mate.
Look, on oil, bro, I'm looking easy 70s.
Bro, look at that pattern. That is a weighted to break up. But don't forget, we've got that important zone. That 65 is quite crucial. But once it breaks, that's going to fly straight to 75.
No, I think we're gonna come to 100.
Bro, in the long term, 100. I think we can see a 3-figure oil. Definitely, bro. Definitely.
What else we had? GJ. Oh, GJ wasn't really. I was hoping for come down to low, but did not really.
DJ's looking good. And the thing is, Yen's just dying as well. Yen's, I can still see Yen dropping as well. So I think pound yen can definitely go higher. Do you know what? I've been trading pound yen in Asia. I just trade cable at the minute. Just with pound USD.
Gold.
Do you know why? I find it easier. I can almost plan. You could almost determine the dollar more than you can with the yen. I find.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that move in gold earlier. Look at that liquidity grab. Disgraceful.
Let me just clear these up. But we called it.
Course. Come on, course.
That move, I was. But the thing is, loads of people were lonky. Loads of. I was just seeing it on Instagram everywhere. Everyone just shouting, "Gold buy."
Bro. Do you know what I was? Do you know what I actually was? I think now we've had this liquidity grab. I think now we can start breaking up to 1800 now. I think we can. Because now we can think we've been, apart from that, we take out that move, we've been consolidating for like 2 weeks.
Oh, we got 10 minutes again.
We've been consolidating for about 2 weeks. So, and it needed that sort of that move. If we break above the current level now, because the current level is a very significant area. So if we break above that, I think we're getting to 1810. If we fail to break, bro, we're back in the bet. We'll come back down to gold.
We got this as well. Look at that.
But to be honest, Ash, I can see a breaking through this level. Definitely. I'm actually I'm holding my gold longs. I put in the group earlier till 1800.
Yeah.
Be a nice 500 pip move. That'd be a lovely move.
You got this here, like look at that.
Yes, bro.
However, overall, and the other point, the thing is, I can't see any. Wait. Let me see where this is gonna go. Because we'll look at this, right? Look. You see that?
Yeah, but you could also argue the level you're at now. The level you're at now is you're bouncing off key resistance. And if you look at the pattern, if you zoom out, go on the day chart. Go on the day chart. If you zoom out, look, we're forming some sort of reversal pattern. Look, we're forming some sort of
double bomb.
And then we go there. Then we've got the big impulse move up. We've now grabbed liquidity to touch previous highs. Mm-hmm. Look, it's touched exactly. Look at previous highs to where it's touched exactly. It's grabbed liquidity from there. If we do stay above the 70 level, we're definitely going up. Definitely going up. I don't think that personally. I don't think there's much hope left in gold. I don't think we're going to break all-time highs this year. I think risk is going to get back, but I do feel like gold can still make a little rally from here. You know.
Well, do you think we're going to have the W pattern here? Like, look at that.
Yeah, look, and then we come down again.
The thing is, what's going to happen after here, because we have this again, we have that.
But bro, also zoom out even further. Look on the weekly. Look on the weekly. Yeah. You could almost argue the gold's forming a fucking flag pattern, bro. Go on the chart. You could almost argue that gold's formed just a little flag pattern.
Yo, Nathan, I can't hear you.
So can you hear me now?
Yeah.
No, and like think gold's had this impulse move up. It's caused a little flag pattern. And look, you could even say that gold rejected. See the lows in gold there, which was like 1680. That was of key significant area that took a very long time to break through. And I think bro, on the grand scheme of things, it hasn't even retraced that much. If you zoom out even further, it's not even come down that much. So really, I can see gold going higher. I don't think we're going to break the highs of 2000 because I think risk is back unless something catastrophic happens. Unless inflation's really bad in the markets. So obviously gold moves the most on inflation. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But
so basically, what we're talking about is it's weekly, right? Yeah. Basically, you have this, right? You have this move up.
And if you get the Fibonacci out as well, I think it's back. I think it's bang on a really nice retracement level. Yeah, really, that's what price action is telling you. I'm not so convinced by that because I'm just thinking of the yields. But obviously, I'm just playing it sort of day by day because my views could change because things always change in the market. You know what I mean? But at this current like, look at that rejection. It's perfect, isn't it? Look at that. So really, if we're talking just price action and we're looking at price and we'll talk about any fundamentals whatsoever, yeah, that's bullish as fuck, bruv, isn't it? That's which you're waiting to break out of that channel and then it's bullish from there on, really, isn't it?
Yeah, literally, it's gonna fly off.
Really? So,
well, let me find.
But I'm not too convinced. I'm not too convinced long time. I'm just playing. For the minute, bro, the narratives just keep changing.
See, bro, I was. Well, if this.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, definitely, bro. This could still happen. This could easily still happen. If we fail off the current level now, then bro, that's exactly you're seeing what I'm seeing. You're seeing that's exactly what I'm seeing.
Well, this is a second. This is like a second scenario, right?
Yeah, exactly, bro. And to be honest, I'm more inclined to be bearish, but I'm just looking.
This is a two scenario I'm looking at. Whether we're gonna fly off here.
Yeah.
if anything, so basically what I'm seeing, we can have something to break out like this. We're gonna get a retest. And bro, if we get the retest here, we are gone. We are gone.
Yeah, bro. Really.
Because we still have this. You see this? Check this out.
It's at the sweet spot, isn't it? It is. It's at the sweet spot. It's rejected beautifully off the sweet spot as well. Lovely rejection.
See that banged on 68%.
Yeah, man. As we all know, that's the sweet spot.
Look, literally, if this breakup happened, the next stop is 2,240. All right, let me just stop this one.